This video, I want to talk about one of the biggest mistakes I see amongst clients in terms of their behavior if weight loss is their goal. It's like a pattern that I've picked up, and maybe you are doing this as well, which is why you are struggling to lose weight. Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jodie and I help you change your beliefs so you can change your body, your health, and your life. This video, I want to explain this pattern I have picked up amongst my weight loss clients in particular. And I'm sure if you are someone out there that is struggling with weight loss, you might be doing this thing as well, and that is the reason you are struggling. Now, when it comes to losing weight, consistency is key. And I know it's really easy to listen to me say this and understand it, it makes sense, but you actually have to go and apply this to your life and force yourself to stay consistent and aim for consistency. Too many of you are aiming for extremes or perfection and not aiming for consistent habits. And at the end of the day, if you can integrate habits into your life that help you achieve that weight loss, then you're more likely to be able to keep your results long term. Let me explain using an example. Say you are given a step target to hit of 10,000 steps per day. Now, this could be anything. This could be aiming for a calorie target. It could be aiming for getting your workouts in 4 days a week, but let's just use steps to start with. So say you are given a step target of 10,000 steps per day and you are struggling to hit this target. Get some motivation and you decide to go for it on the weekend, you're feeling good. So instead of just hitting 10,000 steps, you decide to go way over and hit 20,000 steps. And that makes you feel really good because you haven't just hit 10,000, you've done even more. Now, in my opinion, this is the worst thing you can do, because what happens then typically is the next day, maybe you'll get 10,000, maybe you'll get 20,000 again because you've got that motivation, you're feeling really good. But then the next day comes by and you're back to normal life. It's really busy, say it's a Monday or work day, and there's no way you can fit in 20,000 steps, but also mentally you think, okay, I did really well on the weekend, I deserve a break today. That is a really bad way to look at things. I, as a coach, would much rather you get 10,000 steps in on Saturday, 10,000 on Sunday, and be able to get 10,000 in on Monday because you're aiming for that consistency, rather than getting in 20,000, then say 15,000, and then dropping down to 2,000 steps. You have to stop celebrating extremes and start celebrating consistency. So even say if you are struggling to hit 10,000 steps a day, you are much better off than to start with a smaller target. Aim for 5,000 steps a day or 6,000 steps a day. And once you have consistently been able to achieve that step target every single day, you can start increasing it slightly and work your way up to 10,000 steps per day. Doing 5,000 steps every single day might seem less of an achievement, but it's actually going to result in better progress long term because you are ingraining that habit into your lifestyle, and it's going to be easier and easier to hit that target as you keep doing it. And also 5,000 steps every single day, that accumulates and it's going to lead to results. Whereas if you just do 15,000 steps here and there and pretty much nothing on the other days, that isn't going to accumulate into anything. So it's really important, if you want to lose weight, you have to start being aware of your behaviors and the patterns and the choices you're making. And I think most importantly, stop aiming for those extremes and start really aiming to be consistent. Force yourself to be consistent. If you are not achieving the targets that you want, alter them in some way so you can be more consistent. Weight loss can seem overwhelming, but you honestly don't have to do everything at once. You don't have to make extreme changes in your lifestyle. Bit by bit, step by step, that is a much better way to go about things, especially if you're someone that struggles with being overwhelmed and feeling like you're trying to do too much, or if you're struggling to stay consistent. It's better to do it bit by bit than to just not end up doing anything at all because you're trying to do too much. That is all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you are struggling, please feel free to send me an email. I put that in the description box. If you like this video, please like it. If you would like to subscribe to see more, please subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.